12 mind-blowing inventions that will soon change the world. From revolutionary breakthroughs in science to transformative technologies, the modern world is experiencing a wave of innovation that is altering every aspect of human life. These advances are not only tackling some of our most persistent problems, but they are also opening new frontiers in how we think, create, and live. Let's explore 12 extraordinary innovations that are truly changing everything. 1. CRISPR. Precision editing for DNA. CRISPR, clustered regularly interspaced short palindromic repeats, has emerged as a revolutionary gene editing tool that enables scientists to modify genetic material with pinpoint accuracy. With CRISPR, mutations in DNA sequences that cause genetic disorders can be identified and corrected, offering hope for treating conditions like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and even some forms of inherited blindness. In agriculture, CRISPR is being used to engineer crops that are more resistant to disease, pests, and climate stress, improving food security. However, the ability to alter human embryos has raised concerns about potential misuse, such as enhancing intelligence or physical traits, which ventures into ethically murky territory. Ongoing discussions among scientists, ethicists, and policymakers aim to establish boundaries to ensure that CRISPR is used responsibly and equitably. 2. Next-gen renewable energy solutions. The quest for sustainable energy has expanded far beyond conventional solar panels and wind turbines. Emerging innovations such as solar paint, which can be applied to almost any surface to generate electricity, and ocean-based wave energy converters, which harness the rhythmic power of sea waves, are reshaping our approach to clean energy. These novel solutions are designed to be not only efficient, but also scalable for widespread use in urban and remote areas alike. As technology evolves, costs are dropping, making renewable energy more affordable and practical for both developed and developing nations. This decentralization of energy sources reduces the global dependency on fossil fuels, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change while also improving energy access and security in underserved communities. 3. Plastic-eating enzymes. Plastic pollution has become one of the most pressing environmental concerns, with millions of tons of plastic entering oceans and landfills annually. Scientists have made a breakthrough with enzymes that can degrade plastic into environmentally harmless components. The development of a super enzyme in 2020 capable of breaking down PET polyethylene terephthalate plastic in mere hours has opened new possibilities for waste management. Unlike traditional recycling processes, which are limited by sorting and contamination issues, these enzymes can potentially break down mixed or dirty plastics, making recycling more efficient and circular. Researchers are now working to enhance the speed, scalability, and cost-effectiveness of this technology, envisioning a future where plastic waste could be rapidly turned into reusable materials or even energy. 4. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. Brain-computer interfaces are unlocking unprecedented ways for humans to interact with machines. These systems interpret electrical signals in the brain and translate them into commands that can operate computers, robots, or other devices. Individuals with severe mobility impairments can regain control over prosthetics, wheelchairs, or digital communication tools. Startups and research groups are exploring more advanced BCIs capable of restoring lost senses, controlling smart homes, or enabling silent communication. The ultimate goal is to establish a seamless connection between thought and action. Still, technical, ethical, and security challenges remain, ranging from protecting brain data from misuse to ensuring equitable access across different populations. Despite these hurdles, BCIs are paving the way for new forms of human-computer synergy. 5. Wearable health tech. The rise of wearable technology has revolutionized how individuals monitor and manage their health. Modern wearables now go beyond tracking steps or sleep. They offer medical-grade sensors that can detect atrial fibrillation, monitor blood oxygen saturation, and alert users to potentially dangerous cardiac events. Continuous glucose monitors that work without needles are offering new freedom to diabetics, reducing discomfort and improving compliance. These devices are also beginning to integrate AI, which can analyze trends and alert users or healthcare providers to early signs of disease. In hospitals, wearables are used to monitor patients remotely, reducing the need for in-person visits and enabling earlier intervention. As more data becomes available, these devices could shift the focus from reactive to proactive healthcare, improving outcomes and reducing costs. 6. 3D printing's expanding role. 3D printing technology, also known as additive manufacturing, has gone from a tool for hobbyists to a catalyst for industrial transformation. In housing, entire homes can now be printed layer by layer, using specialized concrete, slashing construction times and costs, while significantly reducing waste. In medicine, 3D printing enables the production of custom prosthetics and orthotics tailored precisely to an individual's anatomy, improving comfort and functionality. Researchers are experimenting with bioprinting, layering living cells to create skin, tissues, and even complex organs. In 2023, a major milestone was achieved with the transplant of a 3D printed ear, a step that suggests whole organ printing may soon be viable. This technology is also influencing aerospace, automotive, fashion, and even food industries, highlighting its versatility and potential to revolutionize production across the board. 7. Atmospheric water generators. In response to growing water scarcity, particularly in arid and remote regions, technologies like atmospheric water generators, AWGs, are providing sustainable solutions. Devices such as the hydropanel use solar power to condense water vapor from the air and collect it as clean, potable water. These systems can operate off-grid, making them ideal for communities without reliable access to water infrastructure. Each panel can produce several liters of water per day and requires minimal maintenance. In humanitarian efforts, AWGs are being deployed in disaster zones and refugee camps to deliver fresh drinking water where traditional sources are unavailable. As climate change intensifies droughts and water shortages, these devices offer an innovative way to bolster water security and reduce the environmental impact of water transportation and extraction. 8. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is set to transform the digital landscape by solving problems that are beyond the capabilities of even the most advanced classical computers. Using principles of quantum mechanics, such as superposition and entanglement, quantum computers perform many calculations simultaneously. This immense computational power is being explored in areas like drug discovery by simulating molecular interactions to identify new compounds faster, and cryptography, where it could both break and create ultra-secure encryption systems. Google's demonstration of quantum supremacy in 2019 marked a turning point, proving that these machines can outpace traditional supercomputers under specific conditions. While widespread, practical applications are still emerging, governments and tech giants are investing heavily in quantum research, hoping to unlock solutions to problems ranging from traffic optimization to climate modeling. 9. Lab-grown meat. Lab-cultivated meat, also known as cultured or cell-based meat, represents a major shift in how we produce and consume animal protein. Instead of raising and slaughtering animals, meat is grown from real animal cells in a controlled laboratory environment. This process drastically reduces land and water usage and slashes greenhouse gas emissions, addressing both environmental and ethical concerns. Companies like Eat Just and Upside Foods are already bringing lab-grown chicken and beef to market, with regulatory approval slowly expanding in various countries. As production techniques improve, the cost of lab-grown meat is expected to fall, making it more accessible to everyday consumers. The technology also offers the potential to develop healthier and safer meat products by eliminating harmful bacteria and reducing antibiotic use. 10. Bionic Eyes. For people who have lost their vision, new advances in visual prosthetics are offering a ray of hope. Bionic Eyes use small cameras to capture visual information, which is then processed and transmitted to the brain through electrodes implanted in the retina or visual cortex. Though still in early stages, these systems have enabled individuals with profound blindness to detect light, shapes, and movement. In one instance, a patient in Australia was able to partially regain sight with a prototype device. Future versions aim to offer high-resolution imagery, color vision, and even integration with augmented reality. As the technology matures, Bionic Eyes may dramatically improve independence and quality of life for millions of people with visual impairments, providing what was once thought to be impossible, restored sight. 11. Self-healing concrete. Concrete is the most widely used construction material in the world, but its tendency to crack over time poses major safety and financial risks. Self-healing concrete offers a groundbreaking solution. Embedded with limestone-producing bacteria, this concrete activates when exposed to water and air, automatically sealing small cracks and preventing further structural damage. This innovation extends the lifespan of roads, buildings, and bridges, reducing the need for frequent repairs and lowering maintenance costs. In regions prone to earthquakes or severe weather, self-healing concrete can enhance resilience and public safety. Environmentally, it minimizes the carbon footprint of the construction industry by reducing the demand for new materials and energy-intensive repair processes, making it a cornerstone of sustainable urban development. 12. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming an essential part of our everyday lives, from personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to more complex systems that can diagnose medical conditions or drive autonomous vehicles. In healthcare, AI models analyze medical data to detect patterns that might be missed by human eyes, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. In the creative industries, AI can write articles, generate music, or even direct films, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. Businesses use AI to enhance customer experiences, automate operations, and make data-driven decisions. As the technology becomes more sophisticated, ethical questions about privacy, bias, and job displacement are gaining attention. Still, the integration of AI across disciplines signals a new era of innovation, productivity, and potential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.